There's a new Batmobile, Will.
Yeah.
And
Exciting.
The thing was, I had this story, but then also, before we shot, you said, there's a new Batmobile, Lou. And you didn't know I had this, so I said, I got it already, Will.
Yeah, that's what happened, yes.
So that means you and I, it was the parallel thinking.
Yeah, the synergy, yeah.
So both of us knew this was newsworthy. And it is because it's,
Well, you're a Batman fan.
I'm a Batman guy as far as superheroes are concerned. I mean, the outfit's a little much, but he's a regular guy, and his powers are not too crazy. So it's kind of in the realm. It's a little more real. Plus, he's got the gadgets. And what do I have? I got the gadgets, Kurt.
A skillet.
I got 6 phones over here, so I'm basically Batman. That's how that works. And I got a skillet in Timbuktu, so another reason. I love this new Batmobile. Call me crazy. There's something, I love it. It's retro. I know people are going to say, why would he have an old looking car? Why would he have a muscle car looking thing?
It's like a Camaro Mustang.
It's got a huge, maybe V10, V8 engine in the back looking thing. It looks like a lot of classic kind of cars. I know they could do a lot of things. You had the tumbler. Maybe it should look more high tech, but who knows? Maybe Bruce Wayne's having a midlife crisis and he wants to have a classic car. You don't know the story. You don't know why. But mainly for me, it's just the shape of the thing is really compelling. And maybe it's also because I just haven't seen a Batmobile like that before. The tumbler thing was way over the top. The Batmobile when I was a kid, I'm talking Michael Keaton Batmobile, was iconic but different. It kind of had more curves, more similar to the retro vehicles. And then this one right here for me is more in line with that. And we have a cool write-up on Jalopnik where they go into depth. They say it looks like a 1970 Barracuda, actually, and they would be the ones that would know that. And the rear fenders are a callback to the haunches of the jet engine 1990s Batmobile. That's the one I'm talking about. And I agree with that. The rear end kind of looks like that. So it could be a muscle car type of Batmobile coming up for, who is it? Pattinson?
Pattinson. Yeah.
Pattinson? Pattinson?
Yes.
Are you sure about this, Will? I feel like Vin disagrees with you over there. He's a big Twilight guy, so he would know. So, yeah, I mean, he's been a controversial choice. People say he's too young to be Bruce Wayne. I don't know how old is he.
Well, he's not that old, but it could be like a young Bruce
Wayne.
Batman.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't know how old Batman is. Isn't he normally 40 years old, around there? Okay, he's 33, 1986. A year younger than I am. But he looks a decade younger. I got miles. I got miles he doesn't have.
Run it to the ground.
Yeah, I got miles he doesn't have. I'll tell you what. Well, I can't go into it here.
I hear you.
But
he was also a vampire.
I'll tell you what. I'll tell you what. I haven't been putting premium gas in this tank. I'll tell you what. Yeah, I've been putting premium unleaded. Yeah. So. Anyway, I guess he can be Batman. He was a vampire. It's kind of bats, vampires, Batman. That's how it works, right?
It comes full circle.
Batman has the bats thing. Vampires have a bat thing. So I think that's how it works.
Yeah.
That's why they picked him. I don't know. He looks very serious. Can he make a joke? No.
You got to look at the chin.
Batman has to have that chin.
Yeah.
Wait, did Christian Bale have that chin? I don't know.
I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know. Did Michael Keaton have that chin?
He's got a chin.
Kurt just sneezed. Let's get out of here.
Oh, boy.